Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change small letters to capital letters in Excel. Converting text to uppercase in Excel ensures consistency and readability, especially for data presentation and analysis. So let's start the video. First, open up your Excel worksheet where you want to change text to all caps. So this is our sample data. To change text to uppercase in Excel, we will use the upper function. This function converts any lowercase letter in a text string to uppercase letters. So click on the cell where you want the capital letters to appear. Now type is equal to upper starting bracket. Now click on the cell whose text you want to convert. So click on A2. Now close the bracket and hit enter. As you can see, the text has been converted to uppercase. To apply this to the entire column, simply drag the fill handle down to the last cell you want to convert. Now if you want to replace the original text with the capitalized version, then you can copy the new column and then right click on the first cell and choose paste values. So click on it. Now you can delete the other column. So that's how to convert small letters to capital letters in Excel. Thanks for watching.